Or how are you all? Class 4. Today take out your English textbook and look at page 129. Imagery. Now students look at the related passage with the little girl on page 129. 129. So now let's read it. The lazy little girl. I hope you can see it clearly. Once upon a time there lived a prince named Harry. Prince Harry was very gentle and helpful. Well, Prince Harry was very gentle and helpful, whereas David, his cousin, David was the cousin of his was the king, who is king and who was cruel and cunning. David was cruel and cunning. Yes, David was fond of hunting, and David was fond of his cousin. King's cousin was fond of hunting, but Carrie was kind towards animal. But on the other hand, Harry the king was fond of prince was fond of animals. Yeah, and look at the second paragraph. One day David shot a swan from the terrace of his palace. What did his cousin, prince cousins do? He shot a swan. Swan is a bird, is a bird with a long flexible neck and the short legs. Is a swan is a kind of a bird, and he shot a swan from his terrace. David, they are talking about David who shot a swan from his terrace of the palace, and due to which the bird fell in Prince Harry's garden, due to which the swan, which was hidden by an arrow, was fell into where? Prince Harry's garden. Yes, Prince Harry's garden. So look at it. Um the prince saw the wounded bird and immediately rushed to help the bird. And when the prince saw the bird with wounded, and he ran to help the bird, and he held the bird gently in his hands and carefully removed the arrow. When he saw the bird in this situation, he held him gently with care in his hands and carefully removed the arrow which is in body. Look at the third paragraph. David came looking for the bird and asked Harry to give it to him. Like when the David shot the swan, then after that he was looking for the swan, and for that he came to came for looking for the bird, and then he asked the prince, his cousin, that I want that bird and give it to me, give it to him. The Prince Harry refused to do so, and the Prince Harry refused. That he said, "I'm not going to do it." A quarrel began. Quarrel means fight of words began, and finally they asked the king to solve their problem, and then they asked the king to solve the problem, and then the both of them gone to the king. As the prince and his cousin both has different opinion. One was saying the give me a bird, and the other prince was saying I will keep the bird with myself. So then they decided to go to a king solve their problem. The king patiently listened to them, and then what did king do? Patiently listened to both parties, the prince as well and his cousin as well, and gave his decision. The prince who saved the bird has the right, and then decision was the prince who saved the bird has the right to keep it, rather than David who tried to kill it. Like he was saying that the person who saved the bird has the only right to keep it, neither not rather than who tried to kill him. So the bird go the decision was gone to in the favor of prince. So let's do the exercise. Now students, look at page 15 of textbook. As we have today Now students, today we have read the passage, and which was in the end of the book, and now we will continue with its exercise. Now let's read it. The teacher will read out a short story. I have already read for you a short story, and after listening it, and you have listened it as well, and now you have to answer the following questions. Are you getting me? Now let's look at the first sentence. Prince Harry was dash and dash, and David was dash and dash. If you remember, the Prince Harry was gentle and helpful, and David was cruel and cunning. Yes or no? So let's write it. I hope you have also noted down in your book all these 4 blanks correctly. Now look at the second sentence. David was fond of, we have now read it. David was fond of hunting. Yes, David was fond of hunting. See, David was fond of hunting, and Prince Harry was gentle and helpful, and David, his cousin, was cruel and cunning. I hope you have noted both 2 blanks correctly. Now look at the third sentence. The wounded bird fell into Prince Harry's garden. Yes. If you see, the bird fell when David shot a swan and when he fell from the terrace of his palace, the bird fell in Prince Harry's garden. So look at right garden here. Now look at the sentence 4. Who did they go to solve their problem? If you remember, they all both David and Prince went to king to solve their problem. So we will write, they went to king to solve their problem. Now look at the fifth. This is a sort of a question. What was the king's decision? If you look at the passage again, after the king patiently listened to them and gave his decision. What was his decision? The king said, the prince who saved the bird has the right to keep it, rather than David, who tried to kill him. Sorry. The prince who saved the bird has the right to keep it, rather than David, who tried to kill it. So let's write it. So look at the answer question number 5. What was the king's decision? The king's decision was that the person who saved it has the right to keep it, rather than who tried to kill it. I hope you have noted down correctly in your books. All is that for today, and tomorrow we will continue with the next new topic.